Me pa choma me fa update we fa ma concerning the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency Professor Nana Joe Pukwajima. Ebeda bontin say ma mi no ho fa no. Enti Felix Ufosu kwachi kasamafo de ma ba no ndisi aba no. De krata de beto abontin eche mu say ma me no ho dodo no after say okọ have the medical treatment ewo Legon Medical Center, yes, UGMC. But afterwards, no, na I was saying, mamma, Ibuna Ketem Quamana, no Konoko, me pacho, ebe generate news be brave, Manganam. Na no am so ma obati wa vim powerhouse obeka video na edi him e highway no so titiri ni TikTok na se obati wa vim powerhouse obo ye ma mena guto na se ano odene na TikTok no so amanfo so afuru gina so na se omotwe ne sere ni abasa pa but obeye ne den ensem no de ano odene but me no ka say on an update of Professor Nana Joe Pukwajima no mesra wo ese no nyame adom o Ghana na ho ye iti erade etie dodo na mpaibo iti maame na no ho ye now me no ka say ohene babo ama a chance on the video a obati wa vim powerhouse eni nkofo bi a empo mo bompa say Professor Nana Joe Pukwajima the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana no onto senior watutu bi di ama wo mo yesa no obati wa vim powerhouse waye package bi di ama na not ni but me part before say be kwakọ hesa video no me yankopọ adom akire ho ono nso e won se bi ka e de fa Her Excellency Professor Nana Joe Pukwajima ne yade no wa hu samanfo bona wuto amanfo ye maame no omo pese omo de politics kakra fra no de po adom akire se munyai ne mo won se bi ka e de kire Foreign Affairs Minister ayo Okudzeto Ablakwa Obeka Okudzeto Ablakwa in semin beton from him simple there's a need for a policy to be passed so that members of parliament whether the person be in the judiciary the judges the lawmakers enya dia obema mo kwan there could be that need to pass that law say na beya nipa omo aban mu nipa judges atitirifuo omu sese omu kebie wuma wo mangana mu no enya dia ye bema omu kwan so omu kwa mo ne no omu kwa omu yade omu fo mani nche hospitals ne clinic na wa ya na bibia nya kama bena o kase po adomo kire e won sem bisa e de ma Okudzeto Ablakwa e bra wa ba ba mu no o make sure say that policy will be passed enya sa na so ba shi bruta obe kire ne kafia.
Hello our Vice President. We wish our Vice President well. We are very sorry about what happened, and we know that as we pray for her, she'll be good. Let's not worry about that. Let's just pray about it. Let's not politicize it. This is the Vice President of Ghana. This is no longer John Dramani Mahame's running mate for the National Democratic Congress. No, this is the elected Vice President of Ghana. It's the Vice President for all Ghanaians. If you find yourself in any country, in Cuba, in Uganda, and anywhere, and they say that, are you from Ghana? And they say, who's your Vice President? You're not going to say the Vice President is the NDC running mate for John Dramani Mahama. This is the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. So it's a concern for all of us if there are any difficulties. If she's, as Vice President, she changes us policies that we don't like, we'll gladly tell her. But this is not about that. This is about the representation of the very distinguished office of Vice President. Let's all come together and pray for her. You know, see what the Catholics did. They all prayed for the Pope. And the Pope is now okay. He's out of hospital. So let's seize that unity and let's use that opportunity to pray for her. But the episode, as we said in our promo, brings us into the hypocrisy and the insincerity and indecency of politicians. Sometimes the things some politicians do, immature politicians, I have to say, some very, very immature politicians, the kinds of things they do. Everybody is NDC. There are many NDC people. John Mahama is NDC. Hudu Yaya is NDC. Professor Nana Joe Pukwajima is NDC. Ato Ahoy is NDC. Kwame Ahoy is NDC. Zaneto Rollins is NDC. All of them are NDC. Idrisu Haruna is NDC. Mahama Yariga is NDC. Alban Bagbin is NDC. They are all NDC. So there's no problem about being NDC and fighting MPP. But when immaturity, indecency, and hypocrisy take over your political communication, you are bound to have these kinds of complaints. So you're going to have people who are excited that the Vice President is a medical issue because of the work of an indecent and insincere and hypocritical and immature politicians. Listen to this.
there is the need to implement a policy of no medical treatment abroad for members of the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary with immediate effect.
Said because Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia had been in trouble in a very similar situation, in the same position as vice president, and he had been flown abroad. And members of the opponent political party, not led by, this was Ablakwa's opinion, one of the members of the opponent political party, said that they shouldn't fly abroad because they are flying abroad because they are corrupt and they have not built the hospitals in Ghana, and so they are going abroad. Politicians have been going abroad since time immemorial, and it was as they were going abroad that we still built the University of Ghana Medical Center. When President Mahama was in opposition running for the election, he was going abroad. He was going abroad to see his doctors, and he goes with a Ghanaian doctor. They don't always go abroad because the equipment is not here. They also go abroad for national security reasons. They don't want the information out. You know how we are. We are very spiritist, as Dr. Otabel will say. We are very spirits inclined. So when people are unwell, they don't want people to know. When we're growing up, when people are traveling to London, they don't tell anybody because they think that if they tell you something will happen, and then they will not travel anymore. So part of the reason why they always travel is not so much because they are corrupt, they have not invested in hospitals. It's also because it's a national security issue. Assuming that if Jena Opoku-Agyeman was in University of Ghana Medical School, look at the University of Ghana Hospital or Kolebu Teaching Hospital or Rich Hospital. Imagine the string of visitors that would have been going there. When they stop the visitors, everybody will say that she is dead. So they say visitors shouldn't come again. When you go to hospital, sometimes they tell you that when they discharge you, go far away. Don't go to the place that you normally are. You don't need too many people coming. So the reason why people go abroad, if you are a matured politician, it's not always because they are corrupt and they are running away and they don't invest in the hospital. So you want a policy to insist that they should be held here. If a member of parliament, say of an Accra constituency, that they could is unwell, and he needs surgery or something, and he goes to Rich Hospital, and his constituents know that he's in Rich Hospital, his loved ones, all of us, his political followers know that he's in Rich Hospital. Look at the string of visitors that will go there. It will put pressure on him. When Kufuor went to do his, President Kufuor did his surgery at Focus. Look at where Focus is, behind Adenta or Yarifa. Look at the numbers of people who used to go there, so that the hospital had to say that, please, President Kufuor needs some peace of mind to recover. It's okay. He loves you just as much as you all love him. So stop coming. So if you're a mature politician, these things don't happen because if you are in England and they say that Queen Elizabeth is in UCL hospital in Russell Square, the British people, by their culture, they are not as spiritist as us. They have some advantages over us and we have some advantages over them. Every culture will have an advantage over another culture in different ways. In our culture, we are spirit oriented. There may be some advantages in that. By as they say in Akan, obey down, so you be careful about things. So that there is some advantage in that. But the ramifications of that kind of behavior is that when an important person is in hospital and we are wishing him well and we are eager for him to get discharged, we throng the hospital to see for ourselves. And because of that, these things happen. But if you're an immature politician and you are looking for votes and you are insincere politician and you are a hypocrite of a politician, you behave like Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, the foreign minister.
Good evening, Ghana. Eye Jumedia, Paul Adomachre, Ojina Swa, Siso Tujana in a professional way. In some de Watibi, Entino, Sani City, Professor Nanejem Opoku-Agyeman. Now, ye treaty or man penny and I say dear Udimu ewo memu ewo one of the hospitals say me nimse na squad the tako hosa adofo political yi na omutimi bo mu nchemku sa ko anyways drop your comment in a professional way in sema po adomo kire e de agu concerning Okudzeto Ablakwa and likewise also our Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. I mean for a branch here, your friend. My for branch here, your friend. Hineba Boama, Ediano, and Famao. No, who send city here. Me pacho. Me couldn't go video number. In some the obeti bipa. Obeti wants to be replying in a professional way. Kakrebi. Drop your comment in a professional way.
Encrophobia, NPP phobia. Wamode ba won ho safohene say Professor Jane Opoku-Agyeman Ephraim. All this rumor started from Enra. Na eya all the time ni nyina no Eya no be say adentina wo man we no ayetimu no. Eya me ye so comfortable say sabe obi bewu obi besay obi abrabo enye ne basa sabe mprediasa Professor Jenano Poku Agyemang, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Nehododo no. Ana owe akwacho fo so de krata ba se. Nehododo no. Ama yede na ko UGMC. Na adokotafo ahye se. Yemfa no enko amanone. Na wonko toa apomden no so. Obianu se kura yetimu health facility essay under the watch of President Akufo-Addo. Anyi semura ne aka. Demom etomre bi na wotra se na wo asese mu ma. Eya na ayo. Professor Jenano Poku Agyemang is the Vice President of the Republic. But we will tell me, I want to put this so. So beko South Africa, so beko India, so beko China, so beko Europe, so beko hing. Over to me. And I'm telling and for the first time one. Obia kwama no mi akwagia yarasabia. And I wakwagia yarasa. And for the first time we need. Enti a whole vice president yare na wakodia yarsa men ketesia bia bedre social media wawu se wanya wawie te sabe mo ka ye se wawu a ye betuka menam ene agu preti mu ata ma mo amomare se ma me na firimu a Tasabia mopeno. Yaba tuta minam. Yam ya gupeti madi ya etinjinga no atare. Abayufuo. Dia mu hia wo mu wiase. Ene wowu. Dia yam wawa ne se enketesia ne mrantie enketua no aba no. We belong to this political party. Anything related to that political party no aye na tiwade.
Me mama sante hu na frɛ me preko maka frɛ me ye preko me son me obolo me ye hwan that will not change the fact that NDC if we use mami as a sacrifice.
Mami penimu eti se wa wuti ho a wudi nkwase asem se yenti yeye
O mami twa
no ni mami na frɛ wa na ni ne baben ana ne busu ni be na frɛ wa to wewu
asia abuwa biba tuwa uze ya mesi emu secret ye be yini nyina egu abonten bu be nu mu wose wodi asantefo eya propaganda ye be mama nu mu ho brebra mama ne ama ye ti wa no no ye ti ye be bi wese kuma
wa famntem we ya kwase abapa woni minyansa wo nyansa nka ameka nkwase asemo a wani mi wo ye kurase nipa wate no kure wo hono ya na mompe no kure
mezu wo
bi aba be gina beka nkwase nyan
ni ma husa brantia bia na bojo sesakatu akokota social media se wono no de we sentrani na sana President Mills na wotie and your money be huhuye and be yes oh brebema etombe bia mu yensu nyansa na nyansa yento nyansa ya bia wose nyansa wabobra na wonyini wie na wanya sabie ni bia nsa e ma wadwene no e short yati kuma na santi be bi etuo when you stroke and I was sorry about them krom ha e di birthday ya da nyamias hwe mama yamman pa yan tampani mfoti na wonye nim dia no nyansa mfa support wo man no man nkwani mu Professor Jena no poko ademano a wo bom pa yese wo wu no na wo bete social media wo bi maame obi abusuani wo kase wawu no maame no wadi watam maame no wakase mietiaw plus estate yese wo bom chua edu ba bi kwa na kache maame no se asem wo ya ba na ka bi kwa wo se dabi menya me politics a anyanya bia Professor Jena no poko ademan ya start yese ya amanyosem ewo krom ha no what na me kasa mi pense wadi obi atam what se what obi mpoa what se wakogira ba bi di yade asiri obi minia ya nyini ya nsra kwatia na mun ketesia ne mrantia no a na mutiti social media modi wawu no wanyankopo emmo ho empedu emmo mama ene mamusuafo wawu no amasesa modi ma Professor Jena no poko adema no wotwemi amponyame wommo ho empedu emmo no mabusua ne moyere ne mama ene mukunu nom ne mo nananom ene masefo nyina. What is wrong with you? A woman of class, a woman of standard. Only vice president, no, not your professor. Only vice president, no, man in university, and when we are seeing now, no, your vice chancellor. And they, what is wrong with you? You are a chancellor, cry. What is wrong with you? Mami panimu way ayare wa kokko dia yarsa na se obako social media ana wawu na obi abetre ho na ni wo ne ko wontini wo babasiaba ya na ho nyefe ya ni ana wo boma mi na wuto. What is wrong with you? Why? Ana mo yasa ade na mbenya mami no wa mo boni ban mami no boni ban no dia yemo na mi ni sajama Professor Mills wo krom ha obi anwublem sadia NPP for ye no na akamia ya sajama Professor Mills wo na wo be wo no sadia na si hia Ghana fo no na jama prof wo obi anwublem ba prof wo ye no President Rawlinson so ebe wuye Kofi Annan ebe wuye Mami Teresa Kofo ebe wuye NPP for bebre wu Sejong mo omowu Sejong and the Professor Mills wo aye campaign akanya kanya ni ho ene Sejong wa he okọ wo yamfansre yare yamfansre nipa Mrantia me maba wa yanyini no mama yehunu ba bia yede ya style of politics ne befa na yehia nyansa kakra wa brabom si yanyini ni yanya bia yanyini yampa bi nhia na mo ya brabo na nyasa diobedua no eno na wu betwa wate eno minya kosa hodo amanfo su bi mo fre wo kasei na msimunsi abotre na Professor Jena no poko ademan na hoye enyo no nko na akwa yaresabia no twani aponyame ode ne koe no wode ne beba sontwie. May God Almighty have mercy on you. We be a wuka bibia no bow your head down in shame.
Aha, entino mo amopese vice president ofri mo no ohine babo amase membusa mo se mpo se maame no to a mo ni nam no ye betwitwa de amamo awe ana ye betwitwa de amamo awe mo abaifo no mo hwem hu ye mote ohine babo amano no. Drop your comment in a professional way on this story, but anyways, we wish our vice president, the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana, speedy recovery wherever she is. so ata say aha na bibi anya kama kama me da se bebre